Hello, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Samsung phone. So what you want to do is go to the top right, go to power right here, and then go to power off. Now when your phone is completely turned off, we want to plug in a power cable from our phone to our computer. So this has to be plugged into a computer. You might be able to try different sources, but I know if we plug into a computer, our phone will charge from it. And when we can see this charging symbol on the screen, what we can then do is go to the power button and the volume up button. So go to power, volume up, and hold both these down at the same time. And that symbol is going to go away, and when you see the next symbol, Samsung, you can let go. So the key is really to have this plugged in to your computer, and then you'll actually be able to prompt this screen where we can see the recovery menu. And then we can just simply use the volume down key to go to where it says wipe data, factory reset. Then use the power key to select this. And then we have one more screen here. Just go to factory reset and we should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.